We are LAPP. We are one of the leading manufacturers of cable technology, and we connect. For example, cables and connectors, but also lots of cables and connectors with drag chains, and many drag chains with entire system solutions. We also carry out projects from a batch size of 1 all the way to series production. Featuring 8 strong brands, our range of products includes more than 40,000 components that we've developed, manufactured and tested ourselves. But that's not all. We're now evolving from a component supplier to a developer of complex systems for our customers. This we call ÖLFLEX Connect. With ÖLFLEX Connect, there's no need to invest in your own assembly facilities. You'll benefit from our tools and devices, which we always keep on the cutting edge. Stocking entire assemblies rather than single components will help you save real money on your warehouse costs. You'll also spend less time and effort working with fewer suppliers. In fact, we can be your go-to source for all of your cabling needs. We'll even deliver just in time, straight to the right location, guaranteed. On top of that, we'll help you respond immediately to increases in demand and quickly scale up production as needed, all without any risk, no matter whether it's entirely new assemblies or replacements for existing ones. Plus, you won't have to wait long for our tailored solutions to arrive. Thanks to our worldwide network of assembly sites, logistics centers, and system engineers, we'll always be right around the corner. Our assembly and warehouse facilities span around 70,000 square meters in Germany alone. Meanwhile, we keep over 15,000 individual components in stock, so you can focus entirely on your core business and rely on LAPP. Why not make us your one-stop shop for all kinds of cabling and connectivity solutions? Thanks to our comprehensive services, you'll save on costs and preserve your precious internal resources. ÖLFLEX Connect. Systems solutions made by LAPP.